Hi, good morning guys. It's 10:30 right now. I thought I would vlog today. Sorry I look kind of crazy. I just woke up. But I thought I would kind of vlog a little bit today. I'm not doing anything too crazy or like interesting, but I want to work on Leland's room and like I'm pretty much his sorry, I'm carrying stuff. His room is pretty much done. I just have like, a little bit of clothes left to wash and he's pretty much like getting ready, but I wanted to do some last minute baby prep and vlog that and share that with you guys. But I wanted to make this like more of a today's vlog because I feel like I haven't vlogged in a really long time and I want to get back into vlogging because I'll vlog a lot once he's here. So yes, a lot has happened. Yesterday I woke up and Mac had gotten sick in our bed and he'd been just throwing up coffee and spitting up all day. So we took him to the vet last night and he has kennel cough, which is weird because he's not like around other dogs a lot. Like I take them on walks, but that's like kind of the extent of it. So I don't understand where he got kennel cough, but he's on medication for it and they gave him a shot to stop the vomiting. So if you hear coughing in the background, it's Mac, but I have to give him his medicine. We're just praying that Blue doesn't end up getting it because Blue's already been exposed. So we could like cut them off from each other, but there would be no point because Blue's already been exposed to it. But we're just hoping that Mac or Blue doesn't end up getting it. So yeah, I'm just trying to open the windows, not let the boys outside. Don't go potty. Oops. Go outside. I brushed Mac yesterday, so there's like tons of fluff. Oh, I feel like I have like so much to like go through and organize. I'm just like so tired. Here, buddy. Can we do your medication? His little medicines are right here. Come here, buddy. Where's the pepperoni? Here it is. Give him his medicine with pepperoni. Oh, you can't have any. Okay. So this is, give 3 tablets by mouth once daily. Daily, okay. So we'll try to fit 2 in 1. 2, 3. Let's see if this will take it. Don't spit it out. Oh no. He dropped one of the pills. Mac. No. Blue. Mac, come here. I swear, these dogs. Okay, come here, Mac. Let's do it like this, because you're gonna outsmart me, I guess. Don't spit the pill out. I'm trying to get away with not using a lot of pepperoni, but he's outsmarting me. And then this is just give 1 tablet mouth every 4 to 6 hours. Mac, keep the pill. Okay. There you go. Mac! You don't need that blue. Dang it. Let's try this one more time. Take it. Mac! He has spit this pill out 3. This is the second time he spit it out. So, pepperoni. Oh my gosh, please take it. Keep it in your mouth. Mac! All right, I'm gonna double pepperoni this thing. Double pepperoni it. Okay. This dog has just had so much pepperoni. There we go, finally. Now I'm gonna wash my hands because I have saliva and pepperoni on them. I swear, he's a smart boy. Okay, now I'm just I just did some dishes, picked up a little bit. I've got our grocery list because we're going grocery shopping tomorrow. So a lot of these are just meals and stuff to last us for like a few weeks. But yes, I also want to make pumpkin bread, which I'm excited to try, but I'm gonna feed the dogs real quick and then make me a little breakfast. It's already 10:30, but I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. But I'm gonna feed the dogs real quick. We feed Mac outside. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this before, but we feed Mac and Blue separately because Mac is food aggressive and Blue clearly is not because he has no care in the world. Oh, and this is our countdown for baby Leland, which I will erase. That's 6 because we are down to, oops, 45 days, which is crazy. 45. Sorry about that, really weird because I was looking to the viewfinder, but 45 days. So exciting. Still have so much to do. What I want to get done today is a last bit of laundry, and then I have all these bottles to wash. All these bottles. I'm not gonna wash or use all of them. I have this Spectrum. My breast pump's actually in his nursery, which I'll show you guys, but these are for my breast pump. These connect to the pump. I just have tons of just like random bottles, so I'm gonna wash those. I have some formula up there just in case breastfeeding doesn't work out. I have just like sippy cups and spoons and so much stuff. I'm just gonna wash the bottles today and boil those. But I'm gonna make some oatmeal. Ooh, focus. Where did Blue go? I guess it's not breakfast time anymore. Blue. You don't want breakfast? Guess he doesn't want breakfast, which is fine. I'm still gonna leave it out there, but I'm gonna make some oatmeal and probably watch some Gilmore Girls. I've seen all the episodes of Gilmore Girls, but I haven't been binge watching it, and Caleb's never seen it, and so he's been watching some episodes with me when he comes home. So it's been really fun. I'm just gonna have this, the Winco brand apples and cinnamon oatmeal. I don't know why, I've just been really like obsessed with the apples and cinnamon oatmeal recently. It's really good. I used to be a brown sugar cinnamon gal, but not anymore. We really need to go grocery shopping because we're out of almond milk, so I have to use regular milk, and I hate regular milk. But anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbering on because I'm just gonna make my oatmeal and then probably watch some Gilmore Girls. Like I said, I'm gonna get ready today eventually. Since I usually take both dogs for a walk separately because obviously I am 8 months pregnant and I cannot walk both dogs at once. But since Mac has kennel cough, I'm not going to be taking him on a walk today because I don't want him. He's already super contagious. So I don't want him to get any other dogs sick while we're out. Blue doesn't have kennel cough yet. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to take him. Plus I like to go on at least 1 to 2 mile walk a day. Caleb and I usually walk together when he gets home from work as well, because I'm trying to slow down my weight gain and help I know I have 6 weeks left, but I'm still trying to get this baby ready to come out. So it is like 2:30 right now. I just finished, since I talked to you guys, I got ready. I edited some of the vlog up until like this point. I just finished editing that, and yeah, I just got ready for the day. So I'm going to start the last bit of Leland's laundry that I have left to do. I'm going to start that, and then while that's washing, I'm going to take Blue on a walk. My heart is breaking because I can't take this cutie. I was editing the video. You guys will have seen this part, but I was calling Mac's name and he heard me. So he came upstairs and said, "Hi, Mom." No, thank you for showing us your tush. No. He has been coughing a little bit, but not as much as he was before he was on his medicine. We did give him some medicine last night, but he was coughing all night last night. But he's only coughed a few times since his medicine. I'm gonna give him another pill because the one pill is every 4 to 6 hours. So it's been almost like, it's been about 4 hours. So I'm probably gonna give him another pill in about an hour and a half. But yes, I have a load of laundry to start of our clothes, but I'm gonna do Leland's first because that's kind of more interesting than ours. But he's being a good boy. But here's my breast pump. This is just a box from the humidifier. This is my best pump. I just got the Spectra one, all the pieces, and like I have breast milk bags. You can hear him coughing. Bless you. I have breast milk bags and stuff, but yes, this is my breast pump. Just have a little bit of clothes left, not anything crazy. We had like a little baby shower for our friends here, and they got us some clothes. Super cute clothes, so I just have to wash. Focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. So, I just have a little bit of clothes here left to wash. So I'm just gonna take those downstairs. Come on, boys. Okay, put you guys up here in the little window. But this little onesie, I'm not gonna show you everything, but this is so cute and it has little feet. Little sock. We do use a special detergent for him. We just use the Tide Free and Gentle. This is what I've been washing all of his clothes and his bedding and everything like that in. So just, if you guys want to know, this is the detergent that we use for his clothes and all this stuff. Washing his last minute clothes, and then I'm gonna take Blue on a little walk and relax. It's 2:30. I'm probably gonna go to Target once Caleb gets home because I just want to exchange the shirt I got. It's not a maternity shirt, it's like for postpartum, like what I want after I have him. And I just don't like the color. I wanted to get gray, and Caleb was like, well, you have so many gray shirts. So I got blue, but I want the gray one. So that's what's happening. Excuse me, I'm trying to walk down the stairs. I'm getting blocked. I don't know why it's not focusing. Oh, I know why. I accidentally hit I turned the autofocus off and accidentally hit manual focus. That's my fault. I just got back from walking Blue. Whew, I am tired. It is so hot outside. It's like 75, 78. It's so hot. So I'm just closing the laundry room door because it's really loud. But yes, I went on like a 30-minute walk. I felt really bad for leaving Mac behind, so I gave him a bone. But he already ate the bone. So I feel better now, but right now I went through my bottles. A lot of them are like Dr. Brown and stuff, and I just decided that these are the ones I'm going to mainly be focused on cleaning right now because I plan on breastfeeding, and I plan on pumping, but not a lot. I mainly plan on just you know, breastfeeding, like not pumping. So I'm just going to be washing these bottles, the Spectra ones that came with my pump. Sorry, I'm out of breath. And then Caleb's aunt got us these, and she's heard these are really good for breastfeeding. They're the Tommy Tippy. Whoa, I just got a kick. He's like, hello, Mom. So I have 3 of those, and then I think I have one more. I have the Advent ones, which I showed you guys in my baby shower haul. I could have sworn I had a few more of them. 3 more Advent ones as well. So I'm gonna pick all these up real quick.
said nada. Vives barely, vives big, I said nada. Ain't there nothing I can dig, I said nada. Vives barely, vives big, I said.
Finally, the last bottle. It took way longer than I thought it would. My camera stopped. I'm just like, everything's wet. My sink is a mess. Whew. It took me way longer. It was a lot more than I thought it was gonna be. But I have all the bottles that I need, that I want to get washed. Sorry, there's like water under my Apple Watch. Before Leland's born, washed. And then whilst I was doing that, the laundry stopped, which means, or the thing went off, which means that it's ready for the dryer. Whew. Okay, well, sorry, it's hard to get like a good angle, but I have all of these drying now. Whew, it's a lot. Didn't realize how much it was until I started doing it. So, this video is already super long, so I'm gonna just put the laundry in the dryer, and then I think I'm gonna end this vlog because I don't want it to be like 30 minutes because I don't understand if no one wants to sit and watch a 30-minute vlog. So, I'm just gonna move his clothes from the washer to the dryer. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's just getting so real, like it's getting real that we have 45 days until Leland could be here, or he could be here sooner. So I just feel like I have so much to do, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had fun just vlogging for you guys and kind of showing you my everyday and just doing some prep for baby boy. So yes, I'm really excited. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!